What's up, guys? Today we're going to be fixing your controller if it's like glitching out like a lot when you swing your arm for like gorilla tag or stuff. When you swing your arm it glitches out. I'm going to be telling you how to fix that. So let's get right into it. So I got my controller here. Like it was glitching out a lot. So I was like, what's wrong with the ring? Nothing's wrong. As you can see, nothing's broken on the ring. So then I was wondering, like, what could it be? So I checked the battery. It was good. And then, like, I just kept playing with it until yesterday. It kept glitching out so much that I wanted to fix it very badly. So what I did was I got the battery off and then took out the battery. And then the things inside the thing, those things, they were dirty. So you just need to clean those off. You just need to clean off that and that. But then now both of my controllers work perfectly. It used to be terrible for like 3-4 months. So now the fix. So that's really it. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped. Make sure to like and sub. Bye.